Today, we're going to show you how to replace your key fob battery in your Ford Key Fob. So this is going to work for a lot of Ford vehicles, and the first thing we need to do is press this button right here. And these also do take CR2032 batteries, so we've got those in the links to the description below. So the first thing we need to do to get this key fob battery out is there's kind of like two little spots right here on this, and what you're gonna do is insert your screwdriver in there. There's one spot right here and there's one spot right here. You insert your screwdriver and you're gonna twist, and that's gonna pop the battery cover up a little bit. And then you're gonna, if you can't get it all the way off, there's another little tab right there and right there, and you can kind of pry in between there. So you can see where that pry section is right there on the key fob battery. See where it's indented right there? There's another pry section right here, and then the top of the cover, you can kind of pry right here, and that's going to allow you to remove that if you're having trouble with that. Now we've got our CR2032 battery in here, so we've got those in the links below. And then we're just going to pry that out, pop that out, and then we're going to insert our new CR2032 battery into the Ford Key Fob. We take that, we press it in. You want to press it so it goes into this end first, and then press down. And then now we're just going to take our key fob cover for our Ford Key Fob, and we're going to press it all in place. You want to make sure you get all those snaps back in there. We have got it all snapped in, and then we have got our Ford Key Fob battery replaced. So thanks for watching this video on how to replace your Ford Key Fob battery. These do take CR2032 batteries. You can find those in the link in the description below, and it doesn't cost anything to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, or leave a comment, all of which helps us get our information out to more viewers, to provide you great content, and also help somebody else out to help save them money and time figuring out how to replace their Ford Key Fob battery DIY rather than having to go to a dealer and pay to get this done. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, give us that thumbs up, or we will see you next time.